Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how I use my old Canon EOS utility tool to make my workflow a lot easier. So right now I have my utility tool here, the old one, camera settings, remote shooting. It brings up this menu, live view shoot, and here you'll see a pop-up of my camera feed, just like that. So what I like to do is I kick this off before anything else. There's an option here for face detection live mode. You click on and you see there it auto focuses. My camera does not have live view video focusing capabilities, but you can see here I was able to do that. It has a little box around it. I can turn the box off by selecting this button here. So now that has become a feed of my camera via USB. That's how I did it before the Canon EOS utility tool was a thing, the webcam utility tool. So now if I close here, that becomes a bigger feed. And in this camera OBS screen that you're seeing, can I show you it? Possibly not, or possibly if I do that. No, okay. So what I do is I have that tool on a different screen. I get rid of all the rest of it, like by doing this. Let me show you. There, I get rid of that. I get rid of that. I get rid of that. I'm doing this by alt clicking on the OBS screen, and I bring that up a bit. So now this is becoming my camera feed auto focused. So if I do that and do autofocus, if I move here, that might be out of focus. So if I do, it's focused again. So I didn't have to physically get up to the camera and do that. So now that that's done, there's two options you've got. You can either, oh, it's not fully focused. I've moved back. So let me focus that again. There you go. There you go, mate. Okay, so that is focused. So you could either close down the tool. If I make the tool, like as in close down the tool here, and then close down the tool there, and then if I bring you desktop display capture, because I made the screen smaller, you probably can't see what I'm doing now. Let me make this bigger again so you can see it. Okay, there. Oh, the wrong one. Desktop. Okay, there. So right now that is a view of my desktop. When you close the tool, you want to come here, go onto the EOS utility, right click, quit. That way it's fully closed, and then you can bring that webcam utility feed back in by here. I have a utility webcam, which is a video capture in OBS. If I double click that, bring that down here. From here, if I select EOS utility beta, it will do a little thing and you'll see my feed. There you go, mate. So if you click done, you can see, wow, that is a feed via the webcam tool. It's been pre-focused. That all takes literally 30 seconds. I just showed you it the long way because I was rejigging it and stuff, but it's all set up to a pre-designated screen scene in OBS, so it's all ready. So I basically come in, push my button to switch on my lights, my camera, because it's on an adapter, and my mixer board audio. I come on, open up EOS utility, quick autofocus, close, exit, open up OBS, display capture, video capture even, and that's my screen there. So I can start speaking, making videos, record on OBS by pressing the record button, finish, close, and that video is ready to be uploaded. And then the best bit about it is that you can use it for photos as well. So the photo element is actually better. So if I do, let me see if I can go backwards now. So if I've not normally done this because I'm trying to record the screen at the same time. Deactivate, done. Let me try and kick up. Let me try and bring up the EOS tool again. Okay, beautiful. So now if I go to desktop mode and show you this, the second bit of this would be, okay, so I've made my video, now I need a thumbnail. So the best thing about this beautiful thing, camera settings, remote shooting, that pops up, live view shoot, the camera's set up, I can see the screen on my display here. Bring that little menu out, let me make sure you can see all of this. Okay, the live view, and that, make it a bit smaller so you can see it all. Okay, there. So now I need to make a thumbnail for my last video, which was about this capture card. Watch this. Now it's thumbnail time, so let me get rid of that. Normally I like to make my thumbnails along the lines of doing something like that, and then you can use these here to focus. Oh, focus on what we're taking a picture of. That would be probably close like that. Make sure it's in focus, and then there's a test shooting button here. So let's get rid of my mic, move over a bit, make sure that is definitely in focus, which it is there, and then do, and now that has literally just taken a photo for me. So all I do is I save this photo, and that's my thumbnail. So I've basically taken a picture. Let's put it in another location, save. I've made the video, I've made a thumbnail. Normally I do the thumbnail before I've done the film because I know what I'm filming. So when I'm opening and focusing, I take thumbnail then, but I just did it backwards there. But that's basically why I use still the old remote tool for webcam Canons. Bring my screen, and now there, see it's out of focus. If I do autofocus on, there it's focused it again for me. So now that focus stays on the camera, and when I go to the webcam utility tool, it's pre-focused. So those little things are trickier to do if you're using a capture card. I've made another video about how to set up a capture card, so make sure to check that out. It's all relating to making content and talking about my photography on my channel. So this is all like the workflow element of that. So I'm hoping you find it helpful. See you on the next video.